The client consultation form helps to ensure that the massage therapist is aware of any contraindication or precaution that need to be taken during the massage. Banana leaf scanning is a traditional way to find a problem to your body and what part of your body that needed to be focused on. It cures fever, sprains, muscle weakness, stress, body pains, minor discomforts of the veins, bones, and muscles. Dagdagay stick foot massage. It involves the use of two bamboo or rattan stick as a finger substitute to stimulate the pressure points in the soles and feet of clients. The sticks serve two functions: concentrating the pressure on specific pressure points and cleaning the feet by scraping dirt and dead skin away. The Dagdagay foot massage, according to Department of Tourism Research, originated from the Cordilleras and was used to believe that the feet of the elderly climbing up and down the Banawe rice terraces on bare feet. It is called as such as for its unique use of Dagdagay wood stick to stimulate nerve endings. Haplos, paraan ng pag-relax ng muscle at balat pagtapos ng madiin ng mabigat na stroke. Hagod, madiin na stroke gamit ang daliri, palad, kamao o forearm. Pindot, gamit ang thumb finger sa pagdiin upang durugin ang mga lamig o stress muscle sa katawan. Paraan ng pagpapainit ng balat upang buksan ang daluyan ng enerhiya sa katawan. Tiga, paraan ng pagpapainit ng balat at muscle upang ikalat at tunawin. Tiga, paraan ng pagpapainit ng balat at muscle upang ikalat at tunawin ng mga nadurog na lamig.